Now we'll see about the maintenance view, that is second one. The maintenance view is mostly used by the SAP for the internal purpose, because using a maintenance view we can view the data, we can also edit the data of different table in one go. The prerequisite for using the maintenance view is that both the tables, whether you are joining the 2 table or 3 table, that should have a link using a foreign key. What is foreign key? That we have already seen in the earlier videos. So here, as I have 2 table, one is my employee master and second one is my employee communication details. So here for the employee communication details, for employee ID, I have made a foreign key with my first table, that is employee master. This means that whenever I am entering the data into the communication table, first system will check whether this employee ID is exit in my master table or not. Then only it will allow us to enter the data into the communication table. Now using both this table, we can create a maintenance view and we can edit the data through a view that we'll see in this session. So for creating the maintenance view, again go to SE element. In the view, enter ZUMV, that is maintenance view. This time select the maintenance view. Give the description. Now here in the table selection, enter the second table. My second table is communication. Generally we have to enter detailed data. I am entering one table here, and after entering the table name here, we have to place on relationships. So as I have the foreign key concept with only one table, if there are multiple tables, system will give the options to select multiple tables options here. So here I am joining this table with the reference table as ZEMP_master. Select the checkbox, click on copy. So you can see, just like a database view, system create a join condition here, like on which field they are making a join. First is mandate and second is the employee ID. Now go to view fields. Here you have to select the other fields which you want to include on the screen for maintenance. Click table field. First I am selecting from the employee master. Here I am selecting title, first name, last name, and data joining. I am selecting limited field here. Copy. Similarly, from my second table, I am selecting only while number 1 and while number 2, because I want to provide access to the user of maintaining data through the view only for this limited field. Okay. Click on save. Local objects. Go to selection condition. If you want to provide any selection criteria, you can define here. Now if you go to maintenance view, here we can see system is giving second radio button, read, change, delete, and insert. We generally deal with only read and change. Again go back to view fields. First save and activate. No errors. Now go to utilities. Inside this, go to table maintenance generator. Here enter no authorization. You can select from the F4 help and give a function group name. You can keep the same name. With this, system create a function group, function model, and a screen on the back end. Select the maintenance type, how you want to maintain. I want to go with a single step. You can provide a screen number directly here or click on the find screen numbers. Propose screen number, click on create, save. Now our maintenance view is created without any errors. This is our view name. Go back, click on contents. So we can see the two records just like the database view, but this time, now before editing the content, let me show you the content details. Now in this table I don't have a state and country, so what I will do, I will click on change mode and I will enter here. Oh, country not selected. Okay, let me change the mobile number. I will change this mobile number. So the field which we selected, only that will appear on the screen. I am entering as, and for the first one, instead of here I don't know surname, so I am adding a new surname here. Click on save. Okay, it is not entered here. Okay, I have to check this, but let's see for the mobile number first. Go back, save data. Yes. Now we'll check the content of the table. Just refresh. So you can see the new number is here. Okay, so this way we can use the maintenance view to update the data in a table, and also we can view the data from different table. But usually we don't deal with the maintenance view. Generally we work only with the database view or the other type of view. So in this way we're done with the session, that is maintenance view.